Today I will teach you how to use IFTTT. But now, let me ask, what is IFTTT or IFT? IFTTT stands for If This, Then That. It's a free tool that lets you automate tasks between different apps and devices. You create simple rules called applets, and it helps virtual assistants save time by automating repetitive tasks like sending emails, posting on social media, or updating spreadsheets without needing to code. Now first, let's start to create our account in IFTTT. So we're gonna be signing up using our Google or our email. Here you have other options like sign up with Google, sign up with Apple, or sign up with your Facebook. But I will be choosing sign up into Google. Then, once you click it, you will see their offer plans. But we're not gonna click any of it because we're gonna try this app for free. And then we're gonna click Not Now. After that, we'll be landing into the IFTTT dashboard. Here you can see different selections of ready-made applets that you can use for or test. But instead of using this, we're gonna create a new one for you to understand. Then we're gonna click Create. Then we're gonna be directed into this page where you can see two commands. If this, then that. If this is the first command or first trigger command that we're gonna use. Let's click Add. And we're gonna be choosing a service. Here I wanted to choose Facebook. There are several choices or options of triggers you can select from Facebook. But I will choose the new photo upload for this one. And then we're gonna click Connect. We're gonna be connecting our Facebook page into this application. Once you've already connected it, we're gonna be clicking the Create the Trigger. Now we're done with If. Then that is the action that happens automatically after the trigger if this occurs. So now we're gonna choose what services are we going to use, and I am choosing Gmail for this part. There are two choices for the email, but I will choose send yourself an email. And you can just input your email address in here, then just change the subject. Once you select it, then create the action, and now you're done. Click the continue and you will see here that you've created your own command, finished it. Check for the details, click connected just to be sure that you linked it into your apps or your social media in your accounts. Then see if there's still other buttons you can click on like this, notify me if it runs and notify me if it doesn't run. And you can publish it so that others can also use the applet that you've made. So let us test it and upload something in our Facebook account and see if it will notify our Gmail. So as you can see, I posted something in there, a picture, and let's check in the email if it works. And it was there. It works. So that's how we create our automation using IFTTT. Thanks for watching. Bye.